Welcome to this video tutorial where I'll be going through how to create an AI agent with RAG on LANGFLOW. If you don't know, LANGFLOW is a drag and drop AI agent builder. Before we get started, we have to understand what RAG is all about. RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation, is an AI framework that enhances the output of large language models by combining them with external real-time information retrieval from databases, documents, or the internet. It's basically you're giving your AI agent a piece of information it will use to answer questions. Here are a few advantages of RAG. Number 1, it reduces inaccurate responses or hallucinations. Number 2, efficient and cost-effective. Number 3, up-to-date and accurate responses. With the implementation of RAG in AI agent, cases of hallucination and inaccurate responses are reduced because the AI agent does not just respond with any short context, rather it responds with only in context you provided. Here's a basic example of a RAG system. Firstly, the AI agent is given a prompt in which it sends to the database or the knowledge source. Then it takes relevant information for enhancing the context. Then it sends that enhanced context back to the AI agent. Afterwards, the AI agent will combine the enhanced context with the prompt, send it to the large language model or the LLM. Then the LLM sends back the response you generated, but the response generated is tied down to the enhanced context it gets from the database. So meaning it gets information from the database to answer the prompt, then send it to the AI agent as a response to the question or query or prompt. Onto the creation of the bot. Firstly, you need to create a new flow, blank flow. Then give your flow a name. I'm going to give it RAG. And description, just anything, giving it RAG as well. So first, then go to your browser. Then search up Cohere, COHERE, because that's the AI bot we're going to be using. The reason why you're using it is because it's free. The API keys, you can get trial keys for free as well. You create new trial keys. Okay, giving it a name. I'm choosing RAG API. Copying and closing. Copy, close. Okay. Then back to LANGFLOW. Now to search, go to your settings. Your settings. Then global variables. Then create new credential. And the name we're going to give it Cohere API. And the value is the API key. The value is the API key. Okay, that's it. Then save the variable. Okay, that's it. We'll go to a new variable. Okay, then search up file component. Other components here, drag, drop right there. Okay, that's good. Then next up, go to share your short input. Okay, and then afterwards, going to look for Cohere embeddings. That's it. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, fit to zoom just a bit. Then search up split text. Okay, that's it. Drag and drop as well. Okay, next up, go to check for a phase, because that's the vector, so we need it. So now connect the file to the input of the split text, the chunk to the ingest of the phase. Now connect the short input to the search query of the phase. Now for the Cohere embeddings, connect it to the embedding of the phase. For the Cohere API key, click on the Cohere API we just created. Okay, that's all. Okay, now let's check for parser. Okay, that's it. We'll drag and we'll drop it. Okay, then we'll search for the prompt template. Okay, nice. Okay, drag and drop. Okay, so now we're looking for Cohere language model, because that's the LLM we're going to be using for this example. You can use the various one. Okay, then next, for final component, our chat output. That's what will display responses. Okay, that's it. So time for connection. So now, firstly, we need to change this search result to data frame. That's what the parser accepts. Now connect it to the data frame of the parser. Okay, then for our prompt template, we need to put in the template before we can connect the parser to it. So you can actually give any basic template you want, but this is the one I choose for this example. So based on the context provided, answer the question asked. Okay, so then I give you this particular clause in a situation whereby a question is asked and is out of the context I provided for it. So if the question asked is out of the context provided, then it should reply I can't answer this question due to lack of information. Okay, okay, that's all. Then now we need to put our prompt variable, because if we don't put it, our bot will not be able to connect to the parser. So we need to use curly bracket for that. So connecting the parser to the prompt template. Okay, so that's it. Now to connect the prompt to the system message of the LLM, then connect the LLM to the chat output. Then another connection that is needed is to connect the chat input to the LLM. So I'll put it to the input of the LLM. So that's input of LLM, chat input to input of LLM. So our file is what will give us a chance to impute the document or database. So the chat input is where we can give prompts to our agents. The Cohere embeddings converts our file to vector to be stored in the phase, while the speed test arranges our file. The phase is the vector store place, is where we can store our vectors. Okay, now the parser, but before that, make sure it is on data frame. The phase is on data frame. Then the parser is what converts the vector into readable context by the LLM, and it sends the context to the prompt template. The prompt template is what your AI agent will respond with. Okay, so then the LLM, you receive input from your chat, then also receive the context as system message from the prompt template. Okay, also ensure that all the API keys are in place. The embeddings API key and LLM API key, I think so, yeah, LLM API key. Here's it. So the API key variable is Cohere API. That is it. So this is the overview. Now go to the playground. Now to test our AI agent. So I'm going to ask it what context was provided to confirm that it has the right context. You see, is it? So the context provided is the recipe for fried rice, and that was the PDF I sent to it. So that my database is recognized. It recognizes my database. So that's good. That's the aim of the RAG. Okay, so let's check the AI agent if it will give us context for a question that is not in his database. So who is the president? And obviously it's not part of the PDF we sent it. You see, I can't answer this question due to lack of information. The context provided is the recipe for fried. So basically the AI agent is working perfectly in accordance to the RAG system. So let's just ask another one. So to prove that the AI agent does not just bring out information from the database directly, I'm asking a question. It's related to the context provided, but yet it has a little clause on it. See, it's how to prepare fried rice without chicken. See, it was able to get it, although the PDF or the database was just based on fried rice and chicken. So this is the purpose of RAG, so that the system will not hallucinate or bring out context from things it does not have clear information on. And this is all. This is all. Yeah. Thank you very much.